Lord, your faithfulness is the anchor of my soul. In every season, through every storm, you have remained the same, steadfast, true, and kind. Thank you for your promises that never fail and your mercy that meets me new every morning. Even when my own strength falters, your hand holds me fast. I look back at your goodness and find the courage to trust you with my future. You are the waymaker who never leaves and the promise keeper who never slumbers. I rest in the security of your unchanging love today. In Jesus' name, amen.